In this video, we are going to show you how to use the new Manus AI computer. Now, when you say computer, it is going to be the version of the Manus AI bot that you'll be using. So if you log into your Manus AI account, like what I'm at right now, you're going to see Manus 1.6 Lite over here on the somewhat upper left corner of your screen, and there's a drop down here. So this is going to be the up-to-date engine for Manus AI. So we have 1.6 Lite. This is what you get when it comes to the free version. If you want to subscribe, you're going to get either 1.6 Pro or Manus 1.6 Max Pro, right? That's for subscriptions, right? And just choose whatever. So for free users, you only get Manus 1.6 Lite. Now, when they roll out the next version, which is arguably 1.7, then that's going to be the new AI computer that Manus is using. So pretty much it. That's a video. Hope you liked it. Like, comment, share, subscribing. That bell icon. I'll see you on the next video.